Hey everybody, Barry Nadler here. I'm with eLearningDeconstructed.com where we're creating e-learning rock stars. In this video, we're going to talk about a simple way to get color schemes, specifically from a company website using PowerPoint 2013. So the situation is this. You're being asked to create an e-learning course, and you don't really have a design yet, but you do have a good company website, and you can pull a color scheme off of the website, so you have a starting point. Let's say this is your company website, and I'll be straight up, I don't have any affiliation with this company, I don't know anybody from this company. I just grabbed a screenshot of a website that I thought I liked the colors on. But we're going to pretend for a moment that we've been hired by this company, or that we work for this company, and we're going to be creating an e-learning course for them. So in this image, you've got some nice blues. There's a nice blue here and here. You can take advantage of these purples here. You've also got some nice greens. And we can take advantage of this blue that's in the latex gloves down here in this image. So here's what our final product could look like. What you'll see here is, of course, this would be where that logo was. Here's the blue that was in the logo itself. This is that secondary blue here. You can see that I've used the green to represent the active module, so as we click through the course you can change the module tabs to the green, but the base color would be the two shades of purple. You'll also see over here is that purple, and you can see over here in the bar separating the navigation from the picture area that I've used the blue that's in that latex glove. So let's go ahead and move on here. So we're back to our website, and you can see that I've highlighted places on the website where I'm going to actually pull colors from. Over here is the blue. This is the light purple. Here's the dark purple. Here's the light green. Here's the darker green. And of course our latex glove. So now we're in the PowerPoint 2013 software. To activate our box here, we're going to go ahead and select it. And now we're going to start picking our blues. So this first box is going to be the lighter blue, and this box is going to be the darker blue. So to do that, we're going to go up to our drawing tools, select shape fill. There's our eyedropper tool like we talked about in our other video. And again, you can see it picks up the colors as you move around. Here's our first blue that we're going to use. The RGB values are shown on the screen. They are 93 for the red, the green is 155, and the blue is 197. So we're going to go ahead and pick up that color. And you can see that over here it appears in our white square. So let's pick up the next color. We're going to go to shape fill, pick up our eyedropper again, and we're going to go after this blue. And again, the RGB values should display. There you go. RGB being 18, 71, and 130 respectively. And if you want to check that, you could right click on it or go up here to the shape fill and select more fill colors, and you'll see there's 18, 71, and 130. So now that we've got our blues, let's go after our purples. Select our box here that's going to be the light purple. Use the eyedropper tool, and we'll grab our purple. There's your RGB. And then the next one will be the darker purple. Grab that, go to our shape fill, our eyedropper tool. We'll go in here and pick up the darker purple. Now we're going to do the greens. So this one will be the light green. So again, our shape fill and the eyedropper tool. And we'll go after that green right there. So now we're going to grab the darker green. So we're going to select our box here that's going to hold the dark green. We're going to go up to shape fill again, pick our eyedropper. And we're going to go right down here into the shadowy area. We'll pick a dark green. Now we have both of our greens. We have a dark green and a light green. And lastly, we're going to pick up the blues that are in these latex gloves. So the first box here, and we're going to select that, go up to shape fill, select the eyedropper, come down here and pick up a light teal. And then we'll select this box here and go after a darker shadowy color. And we will pick our eyedropper. And we'll go maybe down over in here. There you go. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have now. Here we have the colors sorted into a more usable format for you. These four colors will make up the main colors of the e-learning course. These will be the secondary colors. We saw those on the buttons. And then these are the accent colors, the two colors of green. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do with that. So here is the course, and you can see the 4 buttons here. Before anything is selected, you've got your logo up here, the course name, and you can put a course description over here. And again, like I showed you before, here's that teal color that's separating the image from the navigation area. This is just a semi-transparent box, and for that color I've used the blue that came out of the logo. I've used the colors down here as well to talk about the course length and such. Here's another version. So once we activate a button and we go to that module, that's when the green comes into play, and we've got 2 boxes here basically. There's one box there and one box here with text in it. So this is a box, this is a box. You can see that these are just regular shapes that happen to have text in them. This is just a box over here. This is a separate text box with formatted text, and this is a shape right here. Before we end this video, one other thing I want to point out is this image here of the 2 surgeons doing some work. We're dealing with a company that is a medical company. Obviously they sell some kind of medicine, or they are a medical equipment company. So I specifically chose a photo that showed surgeons in action, and it also contains that blue that is a complement to this blue here. As you're developing your courses, you're going to want to look for photos that are going to help you tie together your color schemes and your design look into a cohesive whole. Something else that's important, this photo is a vertical photo rather than a horizontal photo, therefore it also works in this space. So that's capturing a color scheme from a corporate website that you may have available to you when you're creating your next e-learning course. We're going to be doing several other demonstrations similar to this, including taking that image, putting it into Photoshop, capturing the colors, and using those in PowerPoint. If you're interested in more of what you've seen here, check us out at www.elearningdeconstructed.com. And don't forget, instructional designers do it out loud. If you want to share any of your experiences using color schemes in PowerPoint, or you like the ideas you've heard here, use the comments below the video to let us know. So as I said at the beginning, my name is Barry Nadler. I'm with eLearningDeconstructed.com, where we create e-learning rock stars. We'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.